Our other big story tonight, a nightmare doesn't even describe what hundreds of people endured overnight, some of them fresh off of dealing with a massive traffic jam in Northern Virginia. It all started around midday yesterday after a chain reaction crash during the snow on Interstate 95. Crews are still working to clear all of the cars off of the road. 10 on your side's Aisha Tolliver has some of those amazing stories of people stranded during snow and cold. Aisha?
That's right, Anita. And also a big update. VDOT officials say significant progress is being made to reopen I-95. And they actually recently tweeted there were no more people stranded anymore and less than 20 cars left to be removed before they'll start working on all that snow and ice. The VDOT commissioner says they experienced anywhere between 8 and 11 inches of snow, which they weren't expecting. He says that, combined with a quick drop in temperatures and the rain preventing them from pre-treating the roads, led to this scary situation. Hungry, cold, and stranded.
It kind of looked like one of those apocalyptic movies because as you were driving, there were tractor trailer trucks that were turned sideways. There were cars that were just abandoned in the middle of the interstate.
Hundreds of cars were deserted on Interstate 95 near Stafford County following yesterday's winter storm. VDOT officials say they're making significant headway into removing disabled cars and tractor trailers. Then plow trains will remove the snow and ice. Andy, who lives in Virginia Beach, was one of those trapped drivers. We caught up with him around 7 this morning.
Luckily, I have water in my car and I'm good. And I have food, but my biggest concern is more for other people. Hey, they have a dog in their car. If people have kids out here.
He'd been stuck on I-95 near Dumfries for over 15 hours. He's since made it off the interstate, but he says more should have been done to make sure people were safe.
Should be checking people, making sure they're okay. Making sure that they have essentials, food, water.
Another Virginia Beach man, Clyde Taylor, also found himself driving through the mess. His trek from Baltimore ended up taking 13 and a half hours with no bathroom stops.
There was no such thing as going to the woods because there was so much snow and ice, you could not get to the woods. I'll just say this, I'm glad I saved my coffee cup.
Soon this winter wonderland turned wasteland will be over. But for some, if not all those who got through it, it'll be something they'll never forget. Governor Northam says no injuries or deaths were reported related to this traffic jam and no reported crashes happened during the standstill. VDOT says they hope to have all the roads clear on Wednesday. In the newsroom, I'm Aisha Tolliver, 10 on your side.
Aisha, that moment of levity there about the coffee cup. We
gotta
needed
laugh,
that.
right?
Yeah, thank you.